Okay, confessions of a professional organizer here. This was our linen closet when we moved into our new home, until I had the time to actually tackle this space. So let me show you some of the things I did to turn this space around. First, empty every bin and take every item out of your closet. Group by category, and as you group by category, look for items that are trash, that you no longer use, or are expired. Second thing you want to make sure you do is measure your space. Don't buy any bins, please, until you've measured the space. You want to be sure you're maximizing the height and the depth of your space. I chose to use these stackable clear drawers so that I could make the most of the height and so that I could custom fit them to my space, because they come in small boxes like this and larger ones, which you'll see in just a minute. And here's the final product. You can see everything has a home. All of the small items are contained. I was actually able to combine everything from a whole nother closet because I got this whole shelf back. I used large plastic bins on the bottom to contain bulk items, and I'm just much happier.
So today I decided to tackle this bad boy. What a shit show. So much crap. So I first started by getting some baskets. I've got a seagrass fruit basket. I got a clear Lazy Susan so that we can get to our spreads easy and oil and stuff like that. I got this cute little denim jacket for my little girl Lola. And then I got 6 of these white tubs. I transferred all my fruit into my fruit basket. I need to make banana bread. I know, they're ready to go. There's Lola in her jacket. and then starts the process. So I organized everything into cans, sauces, baked goods, dried goods like fruit and nuts. I also did a whole tub for all of our health food stuff, so like our proteins, wheys, pre-workouts, etc. And I also did dog treats as well. I wiped down all the shelves as I was going, and here is the finished product. It's not perfect, but it's so much better.
Hi there, just wanted to answer some of your questions regarding my fridge organization. These containers are from the Container Store. They are by the Home Edit. If you just search that on their website, you'll see the different sizes and ones with lids, ones that pull out, some that are narrow, some are for berries, really cool. Just one thing, don't put them in the dishwasher. I learned my lesson and I ruined some of them. I hope this helps.
A lot of people love my refrigerator, so let's go on a tour of the items I use to keep it this organized. In order to keep wine from rolling all over, I use these wine holders to keep the bottles in place. They're able to be stacked, and this creates more space in your refrigerator for other items. I keep other drinks in this dispenser that keeps them in line and always pushes the next drink forward. Not only are the produce bins from the Container Store overpriced, they take up way too much space. As you can see, I regret buying them. I'm going to stick to using these clear meal prep containers that I got at Walmart for $4. Lastly, I found my egg tray and these clear baskets I used for grabbable items at HomeGoods for $10.
Okay, so please don't hate me, but I had to switch a few shelves in the fridge. I forgot that we have to make room for our dinner that we're marinating tonight. So, okay, let's get back to it.
Hello, welcome to Clean with Kendall. We started with my door and took that off because I made it when I was 4 and I was over it. Then we took all my trash out because I'm clumsy. And yeah. So, yes, you can see. And then I started cleaning off my desk. And then I put my ring on the little hangy thing because I wanted to. And then I found a hair. That's nice. Okay, and then I pulled my chair out and I wiped. Wait, why did I say wiped? Okay, anyway, wait on that. Then I wiped my mirror. And then I forgot paper towels. So, I got paper towels. That's a necessity. Then I remember you don't use wipes for a mirror. You use Windex, so I threw that out. Now I got Windex. Spread it down, wiped it, wiped a little creasy, whatever it's called. And then I decided to put everything in the trash. Yeah. And then we moved my mirror, got a receipt. I don't know what it's from, but anyway. Yeah. Okay. Then we started wiping on my desk. Very crusty. Found a lot of hair from my dog. And then we started moving everything back. Yes, I saw a picture of me and my dad. Don't judge me. And we'll do that in a video. Bye.
All right, so my daughter has a ton of bows. And if you're a girl mom, you know exactly what I'm talking about. I wanted a neat way to organize her bows, so I went to Walmart and found these curtain rods. along with these clip rings. And I'm going to hang this up and then hang her bows off of the clip rings. So I have one up right now. I have one more to hang. So number 2 is up now, and I'm just going to add the bows to it. So here's the finished product with all of Hadley's bows. It's super simple, super cute, and a great way to display your bows for your daughter in her bedroom.